Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to open taskbar settings in Windows 11. So there are some easy steps to open taskbar settings. Just right click on taskbar. So you will see option taskbar settings. Click on it. And also guys, click on start. Here type taskbar settings. Now here is option taskbar settings. Open it. So this is the two way guys you can open taskbar in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and guys please comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.